This is my new zippo. Show you how to do some tricks. Show you how to do this. Well, first this. It's fairly easy. Do that. And then that. I think the easiest tricks you could do. Here's first, let's put 2 fingers. Make sure the this thing right here where it opens is away from you. 2 fingers at the top, 1 at the bottom, and just pull down. See, and it flips open. And once you do that, but you gotta watch out because it'll ruin. If you do it too much, it'll ruin this. So do it with like an old lighter. And this. Once you get this, put your 2 fingers there. Then the back thumb should be there. Then spin it, flick it. Show you now again. There.